Race car problems. Tell me, who has race car problems? Put it in the comments below. It could be anything. So the latest issue I just dealt with and I fixed was my rear diffuser on the back side of the bumper. The mounting bolt, one of the mounting bolts was that attaches to the car, and the diffuser attaches to it. It's near like the differential. I was loosening the whole system just so I can take the diffuser out, clean it, and fix something with the rear bumper. The rear bolt that's bolted on to the diffuser to the bracket, it just kept spinning. The bolts kept spinning and spinning. I'm like, oh wow, this is really a headache. Well, I went to a hardware store. I had to buy a whole like 9-foot aluminum brackets, like this wide. Having extra aluminum is great. It's handy. You never know what you can use it for. So I had to create a whole new bracket. Now the diffuser is back on, and it was just a headache. But who else has problems? Put it in the comments below. Short video, just stupid little things. I had to make a bracket out of aluminum, and I had to insert these nuts so I can insert these bolts. So what this attaches to the underside of this diffuser, and this piece gets attached to the car. You get it? On that thing, because the original one that came with this piece, it took a shit on me.